People used to talk a good deal about the end of the world. The subject doesn't seem to come up as often now as what it used to. I remember when I was a boy, for some reason that subject was coming up again and again. And every now and then there was some date being set that date was to be the end of the world. It used to scare the wits out of me. I didn't know the Bible, and I didn't have any assurance about salvation. I'd hear this talk, I'd hear the reports and the date set. I had terrible nightmares over it. I can remember, they still are with me, the memories of some of those nightmares of the end of the world had come. I remember one time when it was a certain date had been set, that day was supposed to be the end of the world. I remember we walked to school, out there to the country school, and the neighbor boy just made me all the more scared. He looked right, so it does look kind of smoky around today, and that was one of the evidences that it was right near at hand. Well, I'm glad to have found out in studying the Scriptures that it doesn't teach it like that all of a sudden the end of the world is going to come. What the Bible teaches, or what this portion of Scripture is speaking about, is not the end of the world as such, but the end of this present age. This present age is going to come to an end. And we ought to be interested in knowing about it. We should be interested in the signs of the times. We should be interested in some of those things about which the Bible teaches that are indications of the very end of the age.